Good day, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, I am going to show you how to run a Facebook ad. Let's head up to fb.com/power editor. And here we are. And so you click on create. And this is where it brings us. In this part, you can see the awareness, the consideration, and the conversion. Okay, let's click on this because we're starting over. The awareness, the consideration, and the conversion. So because we're trying to sell a product in our Facebook ad, so we're going to click on traffic. So you have to name your campaign. Anything you want to name it, depending on the kind of product you're trying to sell. So for me, let's say I'm selling the tooth whitener. Okay, click on continue. So put in the ad set name again. Tooth whitener. Okay. So in this area, so in the part of the traffic, it's either you running it through a website, running traffic to your website, to an app, to the messenger, or to a WhatsApp. So, but for us here, we are running it to a website. So for the part of this place, you leave it like that, you leave here like this. So for part of location, you choose your location, you add your location. If it is the whole of the country you're selling, or if it is only in a particular state in a country, you can be able to choose. And so, but for me now, I chose Nigeria because I want to sell to the whole of Nigeria. Okay, and so that's what I did here. And so in the part of age, this is where you have to be very sincere with yourself. When you are selling, you need to be aware of the age of the people, the age of your audience, the age of the people you are trying to sell your product to. You don't just choose any age. So this is where you have to select properly. Let's assume I'm selling for the people from 18 years to 60. Yeah, that's what I choose, 18 to 60. Those are the people that are going to buy my tooth whitener. And then for my gender, I choose all gender, because men and women need the tooth whitener. And so I click on save this audience. There's the Nigerians. Okay, and then for the part of the placement, area of placement, you click on manual placement, because there is something very important I want to show you here in this part. If you are running your ad, you must unpick all this because you don't need them, so that you don't spend too much. You don't need them in order not to waste your money. You unpick all this. The ad you're running should be only for Facebook and Instagram, because you're trying to sell a product. It should be just for Facebook and Instagram feed. Okay, just like this. and then we'll scroll to the next one. Next, okay. So for budget and schedule optimization ad delivery, it has to be a landing page because you're trying to drive traffic to your website. So, and now you will be charged anytime they go to your landing page, not when they click on your link. So that's how it's going to be. And so in this part of budgeting and schedule, you have to choose the amount of money you intend to spend per day in your ad. If it is 3,000 naira per day, if it is 2,000 naira per day, if it is 1,000 per day, you write it there. And so for mine here, I'm choosing 3,000 naira per day, and it is going to be running for 4 days. Yeah, that is how I intend to make it run for 4 days. 4 days. Okay. And now to this part. Now that we are here, we're going to put the ad name as usual, tooth whitener. Tooth whitener. And the next thing we're going to have to do is we're going to upload either the image or the video. But for this process, I am going to upload an image of my product. And that's it. There's the image I intend to upload, and that's it. Okay. Very simple and easy. It's not difficult. And so here, what I'm going to do is to put in my website. Type in my website link so that I can be able to direct them to my landing page. Okay, my website. Okay. So that's it. See how it looks? So in this part, you can use learn now, but in order to make it more easy and simple for them to understand that you're trying to sell a product, what you have to use is the shop now button. And that's what I always use, the shop now, and it's very good. And so for the headline, and yeah, I'm going to use tooth whitener for the headline, and my description, my primary text. For my primary text, I'll have to copy a says later, my own says later. I don't mind the wording, so look, because this is just for demonstration's sake. When you're doing yours, you have to get a very well crafted sales letter that you use to run your Facebook ad. This is just for demonstration's sake. Okay, now you see how it looks. As simple as it is. The next thing you just have to do after all this is just to click on confirm. As soon as you click confirm, you will have to wait for some time for Facebook to approve your ad, and that's all. It's very easy. Thank you.